Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw something really simple, and I'm gonna draw the character Baldi. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty easy. So we're gonna start out with his eyes. So it's just gonna be two circles. So they're gonna be kind of small. And after we have that, we can draw in the eyeballs. I'm just gonna shade it in, make it all black. Okay, and then from there, I'm gonna draw the eyebrows. So it's just gonna be, just come up, just draw two curves. And I'm not gonna give him any kind of expression. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw his nose. So right in the middle, just kind of come down, and it's kind of round it off. It's almost gonna be like a teardrop shape. So once we have this, let's finish up the shape of the head first. So on the side here, you can almost draw in just two brackets like this. And then on the top here, we just kind of round it off. And so the top's gonna be round. And then on the bottom here, we kind of pinch it in, it's just kind of flatten things out for the neck. So it's almost like a balloon shape. And then from here, I'm just kind of close it off. And then once you have that, now you can draw in his lip. So for his lip, just draw one line across. And then we're gonna draw another one on the bottom for his lower lip. And then for his upper lip, a little bit smaller, kind of same thing. Okay, and then let's give him that. He's got one strand of hair right here on the top. Now let's move on to his body, so which is gonna be super simple because it's just gonna be a rectangle. So we're just gonna come out, just from the neck area, come out, and then we're just gonna draw one long rectangle. Close it off, and then we're gonna draw his arm. So his arm is gonna be really easy too. So you can start up here, come down to the elbow, and we're gonna start in here. It's the armpit, come down. And then we're just gonna continue this. I'm just gonna give it a slight bend. Close it off, and then for his hands, it's gonna be a little bit sharp. It's just gonna be real simple. So that's his thumb. Here's the back of the hand. That's the palm, and then I'm just gonna draw a couple fingers. So one. And then I'm just gonna draw one little curve inside, so it looks like there's another finger behind it. Okay, so let's move on to the other side. And for the other side, it's gonna be holding his ruler. So I'm gonna start up here again. It's gonna come in, just the elbow. Now flare it out slightly. And then for his hand here, it's gonna be really simple. Just draw two lines like this. Just close it off. And then a ruler, I'm just gonna draw two lines, close it off. And the back here, I'm just gonna draw a little bit of the ruler. And if you want to add in some details, you can add in some of these lines on the ruler as well. Okay, so after that, we're almost done, and the legs are really simple. So it's just gonna be basically two straight lines all the way down, and then I'm gonna give it a little bit of dome shape. So I'm gonna curve it this way and come down on the side, and then just close that. Okay, so one more. Close it off with a little curve, come down with the dome, and then just close it off. And that is it for this very simple drawing of Baldi. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.